Hi, this is Kalyani Sharma from Do the Threads of India. Just to showcase how the weavers in different parts of India weave their different styles and techniques, which are now losing their fame light and the choices. This is Maheshwari sari. This is a beautiful lime yellow color. We have tried a contemporary attempt to make the traditional Maheshwari sari into a today's trending fast growing fashion. So we have given a different style of Maheshwari with the straps all over. This will be the pallu. This will have a very thin border all over, and this will be the whole body with the stripes all over. It have a running blouse as well, which looks like this. Entirely yellow with contrast border all over. Another sari is from Gujarat. There is a village in Gujarat in Kutch district. This is Bhuj. So this is Bhujodi art on cotton. Entire sari will take around 32 days to be curated. This work you can see here. This is the palla. This will whole be the border all over, and this will be the body of the sari. This Bhujodi art created by the women in Bhuj, and with the needles and the threads, they take it around 30 to 32 days to curate a single own sari. We have many more colors in this. This is Muga cotton. This is a dyeable fabric and the weave is Jamdani. This have whole jal work all over the body. You can see the body all over. They have a heavy jal work. This can be dyeable, so the beige color of the sari will get dyed and the remaining design will be the same. This will be the blouse of the sari and this will be the palla of the sari. This is a beautiful curated masterpiece from Banaras. This is a Banarsi cotton based sari with the zari work all over. It have a beautiful blouse, a plain blouse with the zari borders. This will be the whole body of the sari, and the palla will have a meenakari work. It is best for any occasion. You can wear it in any festival, get together, even in the casual wears also. This is a soft linen sari, perfect for every occasion in any season, in whether it's summers, in winters, or in the moisture also. It have a jute lining in the pallu and a plain running blouse all over. A traditional, typical Maheshwari sari preferred by every Maharashtrian family out there for their functions and casual wears. It have a broad border all over and a leaf booty on the sari body, and this will be the beautiful zari pallu. It have entirely different running border blouse and a beautiful blue color which suits you in every occasion. This is a beautiful matka muslin sari which have Maharashtrian weave, which we call it as a munya border. This is a contemporary attempt to mix two weaves all together, matka and muslin, which gives a very soft, hugging and skin friendly vibe to you. This is a Chanderi creations. This have typical Chanderi golden border all over. This will be the body, and this will be the beautiful palla, which have a tree and a leafy border all over. This will be the blouse, which have a plain blouse and a border, and this will be the palla again. So again a Maheshwari creation, a weave which is handloom in Maheshwar by the lady named Savita. It takes around 2 to 3 days to complete this sari. We have a beautiful hand brush painting all over. So this will be the entire body of the sari. This will be the pallu, and we have the yellow buttas all over, which is created by hand brush painting. If you are searching something for daily wears, office wears or get-togethers, this is a perfect masterpiece. This is a very soft mull cotton sari in a blue color. This will be the palla. This will be the entire body You can carry it without any hustle whole day, and this will be the blouse. This is a beautiful airy piece which has been curated in eastern states of India. So this is the beige color sari with a red color pallu. This weave you can see, this is a thread work all over which has been created after the weave of the sari. This is the pallu. This will be the entire body of the sari, and this will be the blouse. It's very deep hugging, very skin friendly, and a very affordable sari which you can wear it all the day and very comfortable in every occasion. If you are looking something for summers or the rainy seasons, but you want to go with a classy and a sophisticated look, you can perfectly wear this outfit. This is a linen cotton sari customized with the lace work. This will be the body of the sari. This will be the pallu of the sari, and we have customized it with beautiful border, lace border along with the blouse. This will be the blouse. You can wear it all together. A traditional beautiful dual shade Maheshwari sari. This have a dual shade with a green, parrot green and a bottle green sari. When you tilt it, you will feel it. This is the border with a beautiful thin border all over with the buttas on the body, and this will be the golden zari pallu with the blouse. Another color, a white color, pure cotton 120 by 120 count sari. We have created with a trend inspired by Harry Potter. This will be the cars all over in the body, and this will be the pallu. With the tassels, it creates a different kind of look, and this will be the blouse. 3 techniques in a single sari. This is Kota check sari created with hand brush painting and French knot all over. This will be the body of the sari, and this is a beautiful pallu of the sari which have a forest theme created by hand brush painting first and done a French knot all over. Gives a complete entire look, different look on a Kota check sari. This is our latest collection which you can find it on the website and the Instagram page. We are available on both with the name Dor the Threads of India. Thank you.